If you want to install Smart Online Order for your Clover device, it's recommended to do it from your computer, from your web dashboard, but if you want, you can also install it from your Clover device. Press More Tools. In the search bar on the top right, search for Smart Online Order. You can just type in Smart, or you can just type in Smart Online Order, 3 words. Once you type that out, press Search. Once you find it, press Connect to install the app. Once you have it installed, follow the steps that's outlined for you. As you can see, I have it installed here. The first thing you want to do is you want to press Settings and then press Set Up. Once you press Set Up from your Clover device, follow the instructions to have your Order Online page created for you. Again, it's recommended to do it from your web dashboard, from your computer or laptop, but if you are far away from your laptop, you have the option of doing it from your Clover device.